As I walk down this empty street of life, I see you standing there, and as you pass by, you always share your smile to brighten up our days. You always share your smile, it's infectious. And even when it's raining, you do so well. Deep down inside there's a sunshine you want to share. Well, you always share your smile with everyone you pass by. You always share your smile, it's infectious. You told me to inside to feel warm, to build the sunshine out of this dark storm, to always share my smile with everyone I pass. Always share my smile with my eyes, to open up my heart and let this sunshine to all I see. Oh, oh, sun, shine in your eyes, let sunshine out of your eyes, your eyes. When the storm comes I've been running from, I know that life will break through the clouds. Well, you always taught us to smile, to let our hearts shine. You always taught us to smile, it's infectious. You always told me to smile out of my eyes, and don't you ever stop smiling, smiling.